Okay, folks, here we are again. In our last session, we drew some trend lines, long-term trend lines. Now we're going to draw support and resistance lines. Okay. Now there are quite a few different ways of doing it. Some people also use Fibonacci, which I will tell you in the future. But I'm going to show you how I draw my own lines. Uh, now, this method is exactly the same. How's the method same? Let me have a look. I drew this line here, as you can see here. I will call S&P. S&P is support, SNR, sorry, support and resistance line, yeah? Right. Right here is telling me, indicating me, as you can see, these three shadows, the price actually went and stopped there. Now, this is a daily candle, like it was the same chart, Australian dollar against yen, Aussie dollar, AUD against the JPY. Okay, now these four shadows, three shadows here, and the fourth one is telling me that this price, which is 70.13 on a Australian dollar against yen, is quite a strong hold. Okay, now here is a bit hairy, but here it stayed above it as well. It's a little bit of indication here for me. And then here. Right? Now, let's go in the past to see. This is a daily chart, one-day candle, like I told you before. Let's go in the past and see that what happened. There you go. Now, that's here also is showing me something. Right? This line might be okay, but I'm not saying this is one of the best lines. This is how you actually start. Now, this one here and this one here is also showing me, because it's a daily chart, that this is also a strong price hold. If I go back now, there you go. These are the current prices, the support and resistance line. So if I go back, this is when since 2016 and places. So I'm going to draw some future lines which might help me if the price gets to that level. Right? So let me see. Let's find out. Look, this I think this stuff here looking quite good. Look at this. Look at this. So let's select this first for now, yeah? And we get the line. I'm just gonna draw a few lines just like that, so we can fix them afterwards. We don't have to keep drawing them every time. So there you go. Right. Okay, now this one here looking a bit okay to me. Let's largen it and let's have a look. Yeah, look, this one, yeah? It doesn't look too bad, is it? And it's here as well. Here is a bit hairy, but you gotta remember this is a one-day candle, yeah? So, okay, that was a bit rough. Now this one, let's go a bit more, have a close look. Now you see, now you can see clearly. All right, just slightly move it down a bit, around here. Around here, yeah. Now around here, as you can see, this one is quite good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already 6, yeah, 7, 8, 9. I mean, I think this line is quite good, actually. What do you say? And this line, when we draw above it, now the price range here is 76.16 and 77.55, which nearly 130 pips. Between these two lines is 130 pips. So that's not bad. But let's see this one here as well. That's not too bad either, to be honest. It all comes with the experience. When you guys will see a line, you will know that this is a line. Once you keep drawing them on your pair, whichever pair you're trading. Yeah, pretty cool. I'll close that. Let's go back and see. Not bad, not bad. Look, the price was running between these two lines in the past. That was like 2019 February until now. Like, 2019 February till April the 18th. So the price has been moving between these two support. Now this one is support and this one is resistance. Once the support or resistance is broken, the resistance, there you go, the support line was broken, come down. Now this is resistance and this becomes support as well. So look, it's been between these two support resistance line for quite good time. Let's go back even more to make sure. Okay, in the past, yeah, look, it's been quite good. Right here is a bit hairy, but it did hold the price here for a while. Yeah, look, see? Now either it's the price going up and touching it, yeah, and stopping there, or it's coming down and stopping it here. Now these are small shadows. These are shadows of the candle, yeah. As long as it's touching either coming down or going up, the maximum you can see, the maximum you can find, but this is only one way, yeah? This is only going up and keep stopping and bouncing back. So, all right, that's fair enough. Let's, hang on a minute. Let's go back a bit more. Yeah, bit more. Here, look. It's all right, it's been all right even here. Right, look. Yeah, here is a bit hairy to be honest, but look, it did hold the price. This one, it bounced back. And look, it's coming up. This is quite a good area as well. I'll give you a few. Right, and even also here, look. Not bad, is it? Not bad at all. And even here, look, this is where we actually decided to draw the line, yeah, didn't we? So this is where we decided to draw the line. So let's go back even more now. And I mean, look at this area. Look here. Look here. So I believe this price, 79.65, is also quite a good, strong either support or resistance line, depends which way the market is going. So let's rub this off for a minute and let's draw another one, and let's see now a bit above that now. So when the price goes above, so let's see. Now I'm going to try to draw one here. Look, you're giving me some sort of an indication. Little bit higher. The reason why I'm looking here right now to draw this line is this, and quite few around here if you have a look properly, yeah. So these are giving me indication that maybe it might be a good support line. But having said that, we've got to check that, don't we? So I'll fix that one and let's go now. Oh, the price haven't got that far yet, so let's go back and then see. Here, look here. Look, sometime it's been perfect. The price has been, look, it's been holding quite clearly. Here is a bit hairy, but still, it's hovering around it. Okay, here it stopped again. 1 day, 2 days, it stopped. The third day, it broke the line. Fourth day, it stayed above it. Look, it stayed above it. And let me rub them and then get my pointer. It might be better. Look, see? That's 1, 2, 3, 4 days it stopped there, the price. This one here, look, it's coming down, but it stopped there, yeah? It's slightly here, it's not too bad, which actually giving me quite a good indication. Next day it dropped, down below it, but it was holding it. Next day it went above it, and it's holding it. So I don't think it's too bad either. But you have your personal plan. Look here, it's very clear, very clear. And even here, when it's below it, when it's below the line, this one, then this is a resistance line, right? When it's above it now it becomes a support line, right? And now it broke it again, and it's staying below it for days, for nearly 4 days. And then it went down to our other line and stayed there for 4 days, see? And stayed above it. So then it broke it and goes all the way up. Look, it's beautiful. I mean, quite decent trades here. Good for the swing traders or the day traders as well. Not for the scalpers, obviously. They're looking for a very short-term, candles. And so, having said that, but this is how you draw your support and resistance line. You go to your chart and you find the maximum of the shadow tips. Either they are coming like this candle here, or they're going up like this candle here. As long as they stop there on the line or near there, like this is a bit hairy, I wouldn't like this, but I love this. This is what I mean. This is what you're looking for. And this is what you're looking for. If you can find these on your chart, it will take time. Be very patient. I'm telling you, it's not an easy job. It's not going to happen. I've done few lines very quickly. You think, oh, because I've experienced, yeah. When you need to look for something, it's not going to be, you're not going to find the perfect one the first time. There you go, look, just I drew another one for you. Okay, just this one here. This is not the final one, but I'm just saying, this is how you start. And then I'll be looking at this. It's giving me quite some, there you go, see? It's not bad, is it? And then when it was below it, it's still not bad. We still keep coming close to it or touching it and keep going down. So there you go. Now you got 1, 2, 3 lines. You got things between 84, 43 and 79, 50 something. Nearly 1, 2, 3, 400 pips. For a swing trader, it's ideal. For a day trader, also, you can go and do the same thing on a smaller chart, like a 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart, whatever your trading style is. If I go to 4-hour chart on the same lines, it's not going to be that clear, but it might give you some idea. There you go. Even here is not too bad, actually. There you go. Look. Yeah, look. Still not bad, is it? It's still not bad at all, I would say. And then I go back and look here. There you go. Still not too bad, is it? Still not too bad. So this is the idea of getting your support and resistance lines, okay? And this is how you draw them. Doesn't matter which pair you're using, it's mathematically the same. So I normally draw on a daily one, go back 6 months, or go back 5 years, 10 years. You keep going back as far as you can go, and it will give you quite a good picture, and it will give you a rough idea that support and resistance line. And thank you very much.